Before we begin, a quick reminder of where we left off. In the last video, we uncovered why anxiety keeps returning, not because of weak thoughts or lack of effort, but because the nervous system has learned to stay on high alert. We explored how stress, blood sugar instability, sleep disruption, and elevated cortisol keep the body stuck in survival mode. Today, we move from understanding to action. What follows is a simple, science-supported reset you can use in real time when anxiety shows up to help your body feel safe again and guide your nervous system back toward calm. Welcome to FitPulse. I'm Dr. Marie, your AI health and wellness guide. Now, let's move into a fast, science-supported reset you can use anytime anxiety rises. Start with the physiological sigh. Inhale deeply through your nose. Without exhaling, take a second small inhale at the top. Then exhale slowly and fully through your mouth. This breathing pattern improves oxygen exchange, slows heart rate, improves heart rate variability, and sends a powerful signal of safety to the brain. Repeat this 3 times. You are not forcing calm, you are allowing your biology to regulate itself. Next, apply a cold shock anchor. Cold water on the face activates the mammalian diving reflex through sensory nerve stimulation, rapidly slowing heart rate and calming stress signals. Simply splash ice-cold water on your face and behind your ears for about 10 seconds. This brief cold exposure acts as a physical reset, helping shift your nervous system toward the rest and digest state. It works even when your thoughts feel overwhelming because it bypasses conscious thinking. Now, complete the reset with somatic grounding. Name 3 things you can see right now, 2 things you can physically touch, and 1 calming color in your environment. This brings your brain out of fear-based prediction and back into the present moment. Anxiety feeds on what might happen. Grounding returns you to what is happening. Before we close, there are 2 simple factors that often amplify anxiety without people realizing it: hydration and caffeine. Even mild dehydration raises stress hormone levels. Excess caffeine stimulates an already overworked nervous system. Reducing caffeine and staying adequately hydrated can lower baseline anxiety more than most people expect. These changes are small, but their effects compound. These tools support nervous system regulation, but they are not a replacement for professional care. If anxiety is persistent, overwhelming, or interfering with daily life, working with a qualified healthcare professional is important. There is strength in seeking support. Anxiety does not mean something is wrong with you. It means your nervous system is asking for safety, stability, and recovery. When you give your body those signals consistently, the mind follows. If this video helped you, subscribe to FitPulse for science-based, habit-driven routines that support metabolic health, stress resilience, and long-term well-being. And if you're committing to nervous system care today, leave a comment below saying "calm." You're not alone, and your body already knows how to calm itself when you give it the right signals.